How to add featured section on LinkedIn profile optimization. So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to LinkedIn using browser. You guys can use any browser. So I'll simply search for LinkedIn. I'm using Google Chrome. Once we go to LinkedIn, here you guys will see that type of interface. After that, you guys will simply click on top left corner profile section. So simply click here. Once we click here you guys can see that type of interface. So we'll simply scroll. Now here you guys can see about featured. So in featured option, you guys can see add featured. So simply click on add featured. Once we click on add featured, here you guys will see add photo, upload document, add link. So simply click on add photo or whatever you have. So I'll simply click on add photo. Now I'll simply add the photo. After that, you guys can see title, description. So you guys will simply write the title and also description of that photo or document. And after that, you guys will simply click on save. And once you click on save, that's it. Your featured option will be added. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.